in part by TD's Brew and Barbecue Butcher Block. These are Carne Sutra brats. This is a bratwurst made with premium pork and the one and only TD's Brew and Barbecue Carne Sutra. I will tell you in a minute how to get a hold of these. Tell me what you guys think. You guys interested in these Carne Sutra brats? These are the TD's Brew and Barbecue Butcher's Block, made fresh, made local. And now let me show you guys, whenever I'm talking brats, look at this. This is a brat. See that? Look at the size of my hand. So I'm gonna put my brats in here. I will have these available here. They're only going to be available locally here in Lovington, New Mexico right now. Probably here pretty soon. We'll have it ready to where we can ship. Still working on that. And then I got 3 Carne Sutra bratwursts here. And now I have the spicy Carne Sutra. So these brats are made with the TD's Brew and Barbecue.